Good afternoon, and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today, I want to talk about a dinner that solves a real problem. What do you make when you want to make fish, but you don't want to fuss over it? This one is snapper fillets, stuffed with shrimp that's already cooked, rolled up, and sealed inside a foil packet. Once that packet is sealed, you've got 6 different ways to cook it. So, whatever equipment you've got in your kitchen, tonight, this is the recipe that works with it. If you love fish, but you want dinner to be easy, this one's for you. Fish is a nice change of pace from the beef and chicken that tend to dominate a weeknight rotation. And it's naturally lean too. It's also a fun dinner, since everyone gets their own sealed packet to open right at the table. Here's the thing about foil packets. They trap steam around the fish so it cooks gently no matter what the heat source is underneath it. I use pre-cooked shrimp in the filling, not raw, because a sealed packet doesn't get hot fast enough to safely cook raw shrimp and delicate fish at the same time. And I add chopped cabbage instead of leafy greens, since cabbage holds its crunch throughout that steam. Now, because the packet stays sealed the whole time it's cooking, you can't just peek in and check if it's done. That's where a probe thermometer earns its keep. Wired probe or one of those meter-style wireless ones, either works. You're looking for a safe internal temperature of 145 Fahrenheit or 63 Celsius. And the probe tells you exactly when you're there without opening anything up. So let's talk about where you actually cook this. The grill is the original method. Indirect heat, smoky flavor, classic outdoor dinner. Oven is the most forgiving. Even heat, sheet pan, good if you're not watching the clock closely. Air fryer is the fastest. It runs hotter and moves air quicker than an oven. So check doneness a few minutes earlier than you would in the oven. But it's really great for the summer because it won't heat up your kitchen. But we've also got a stovetop smoker that gives you real smoky flavor without needing a dedicated outdoor smoker. And I teach this whole technique step by step in my stovetop smoking course, and I'll have a link for you in the description. So if you want to go deeper, there's a link for that. Steamer works too. Bamboo steamer, Instant Pot with a trivet, a stainless steel steamer insert, even the steamer basket that came with your pasta pot. All of them do the job. And then there's my favorite for a weeknight, the passive one pot method. Steam the packet for 5 minutes over boiling water, cover the pot, turn off the heat, and let it finish for 10 minutes while a side of pasta cooks in that same water. One pot, one burner, dinner and a side done together. The shrimp and cabbage filling isn't locked into one flavor. Think of it as a template. The original is Mexican, cumin, chipotle, garlic, and lemon. You want something different? You can swap in ginger, garlic, and scallion for a Chinese direction. Oregano, garlic, lemon zest, and capers for Italian. Mint, lemon, dill, and cucumber for Mediterranean. Or paprika, cayenne, thyme, and celery if you want some Cajun heat. Same technique, 5 completely different dinners. Now here's a few things to watch for. Always use cooked shrimp, never raw, for the reasons I already mentioned. Don't skip the thermometer, since it's genuinely the only reliable way to check doneness without breaking the seal. And if shrimp isn't your thing or you're allergic to it, you're not stuck. Surimi, imitation crab, smoked salmon, smoked oysters, even lobster, all work in that filling as long as it's already cooked. This is snapper packets stuffed with shrimp. 1 filling, 6 ways to cook it, and a probe thermometer doing all the guesswork for you. The full recipe, including all 6 methods and the flavor variations, is in the description. Thank you for listening. And remember, ever forward, ever flavorful. Yum, yum.